Hello friends and welcome. I'm Sarah Liz and I'm back with another free emergency card kit for you. This one is just in time for Thanksgiving. It is thanks and gratitude and Thanksgiving and funny jokey puns and ridiculous turkeys. I actually promised you this kit way back at the beginning of the month when we released our big free emergency card kit with a thanks and gratitude theme, but I'm down a hand. I know. So it took me longer to finish than I wanted. I don't have cards for you today, but I do have a kit. So if you're interested in the free version of the kit, I've actually linked it this time just on my website. I have a Black Friday sales page, and I know it's really tempting to buy a whole ton of stuff. So the first thing you see on that page is a freebie. I just want to make sure that everybody can scratch that, like, I want something new to play with itch, but still stay within their budget. If you are doing some crafty shopping, I've tried to organize that page as best I can to make sure you can find exactly what you need. I've sorted by category. I've shared my favorites. I made a video for you on how to find the deepest discounts on products that are on sale. And I will continue to release and update videos or send emails letting you know about anything amazing that comes up. Also of note, for those who are following along last year, the spreadsheet is back. So I tracked over 75 different sales last year and the year before. And now we have 3 years of sales linked here. It's at the bottom of the grid. When you click on that, it's going to take you into my Google Drive. There's actually 3 separate spreadsheets here. So if you come down to the bottom, the first tab, it will open to this one is sales for this year, 2025. But there's also a tab you can click on that will take you to 2024 and 2023. So you can compare the sales across a variety of years and try to plan ahead. If the sale has already started, the information is in here. So a cherry on top is linked. There's no code. My favorites are linked and they're having 25 days of deals. And it kind of lets you know what sale is running, when it started, and when it ends. So I will say some of these don't have a clear end date, and a cherry on top is one of them. So I'll just keep an eye on it. For other companies, they have not started a sale yet. So this next line is Alex Siberia Designs. And if you look, it's dark pink here, starting from the 26th down through Sunday, the 30th. And then there's question marks. That means that's when they ran a sale last year. If you want to go over into the 2024 spreadsheet, you can scroll down to Alex Siberia Designs and you can see exactly what sale they ran before. I find it really helpful to be able to look at as many sales as possible so I can plan carefully with the budget I have set aside for new products. If you know of a sale that is not on this spreadsheet, leave me a comment in YouTube or send me a message on Instagram or Patreon and I'll get it added as soon as I can. Let's take a look at this kit. This first page is completely free. This is what is linked on my Black Friday sales page. There's a link right at the top of the description box below, and we have 8 1 3/4 inch circle sentiments. They say, Happy Thanksgiving, feed me turkey and pie, yippee pie yay, turkey's on strike. And then we get those same sentiments, but this second set has little ephemera pieces in there. I just think these turkeys are so funny and completely ridiculous. If you are new here, these printed circles are a little bigger than 1 3/4 inch. So if you use a punch or a die to cut those out, you aren't going to see the circle by the time you're done. Then we have some strip sentiments, Happy Thanksgiving, Happy Turkey Day, right? And then gratitude and attitude, which is my personal slogan, down there at the bottom for you. And then those 4 sentiments here as rectangle sentiments. There are tick marks on here to help you cut them out. This half can be cut out completely with just a trimmer, and I think that that makes it really versatile. The sentiments on this page are unique from the other sentiments in the kit. So if you sometimes skip this page because you get an upgraded version of the kit, just know you may want this one too. I do have paid tiers of membership over in Patreon. And so the next couple pages are for the supporter tier. It's my lowest paid tier. I always try to offer a few extra freebies to my paid members. And so this is a page of 2 1/4 inch circle sentiments that say Happy Thanksgiving. Great for bulk card making. At the beginning of the month, I collaborated with my friend Alicia over at Call Me Crafty Al, and her sheet load of cards this month uses a 2 1/4 inch circle. So this page works perfectly for her sheet load. I will link to that video of hers below if you didn't download this month's sheet load. It's another freebie, so be sure to grab that. I have one with the printed circle. and then a page without the printed circle. This is our standard 1 3/4 inch circle sentiment. Again, just a bunch of Thanksgiving. In case you're making and donating cards, I know we're a little late for that probably this year, but one to keep in your files and you can come back to it year after year. We have it with the printed circle and then without the printed circle. You guys, left-handed, I am not great left-handed, but we'll get through this. The rest of the pages are for my Sasketeer and Champion tier memberships. If you're a Sasketeer, you also have a database where you can search by sketch theme. It includes direct downloads of all the kits. And for a kit like this, you get all of the sentiments as resizable image files with a transparent background. So you can actually make them any size you want, even though I went through and tried to make you a bunch of sizes so you didn't have to bother. So we start with 3-inch circles. I have been loving this size. It really sort of takes up the whole card. And we have our goofy little turkeys in here. Have a happy Thanksgiving. I'm not ready. Eat more chicken. Leftovers are for quitters. Get your stretchy pants ready. Feed me pie and tell me I'm pretty. Thankful like a dead bird with bread up its butt. You guys, I'm dying. It's so funny to me. So 3-inch circles, you've got 6 different options, and we have it with a printed circle and then without the printed circle. Then we have 2 1/4-inch circles. Again, these will coordinate with this month's sheet load. So a lot of the same ones, but not all of them. Have a happy Thanksgiving. I'm not ready. Eat more chicken. Happy Turkey Day. Oh my gourd, I'm thankful for you. Get your stretchy pants ready. Thankful like a dead bird with bread up its butt. Feed me pie and tell me I'm pretty. Talk turkey to me. Leftovers are for quitters. And so once again, we have it with the printed circle and without the printed circle. Then we have our standard 1 3/4-inch circle sentiments. These are the exact same sentiments. I've duplicated a handful of them so we could fit as many as possible on the page. We have them with the printed circle and then without the printed circle. The next few pages are just images. If you are at my top tier of membership, that's Sassy Champion, you get all of the images as resizable image files with a transparent background. So we also have a bunch of pumpkins and some pies on here, along with all of our goofy birds. This one has a printed circle around it. These will all fit in that same 1 3/4-inch circle. But then if you want to resize things, or if you want to use a print and cut feature, grab this page. I can pull this into my Cricut or Silhouette. I can crop it down to just the image I want, resize it. There's no background on it. I can create a little like bubble cut around it. Lots and lots of fun, tons of ways to use this. So same page, just without the printed circle. And then because I know we aren't all super tech savvy, these are just bigger, 2 1/4-inch circles. I made a little trio of our pumpkins that I love so much. It's just, I love the colors. I love that they're goofy and quirky. And then we have that without the printed circle as well. And then because I always think of my friends when I make these things, and my friend Lauren loves to color. She does an amazing job. If you're a beginning colorist with alcohol markers, I highly recommend Lauren TaylorMade. I'll link her below because she makes it look easy. She keeps it really simple where she can. So there's a page with the printed circles and then without the printed circles. I tried something new when I was creating these because I actually create the full colored images first. And so then I was using Procreate to go in and sort of make our birds. And I love these. Again, you can pull this in and resize this. If you're at that champion tier, you get all of these as resizable image files, but these will fit in a 1 3/4-inch circle, and these will fit in a 2 1/2-inch circle. My friends, I hope this kit gives you a good chuckle. I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving. If the holidays are hard for you, I'm thinking about you too. I understand that this is a really stressful time of year for a lot of people. So grab some freebies. If you're a member of Patreon, you have your email notifications turned on. All your things have been emailed to you. But definitely check out the Black Friday sales page as well. I try to keep that as helpful as possible for you. Keep us all within our crafty budgets. Thank you all so much for spending your time with me, and I will see you next time.